Oh, I landed on your sister. Yeah, you landed an airplane on Kate. What are you doing? You can't land an airplane there. Huh?
I'm not controlling it.
You're not controlling it, you crazy driver. Do it again because I missed it.
Alright, Daddy.
Woo!
Oh, that was cool, wasn't it? It
Yeah.
went right behind you.
You went right behind me.
Daddy, look, I'm gonna do one.
Stephanie, get out of that trailer. It's not ours.
Can I show you something first? Look at launching.
Come on, it's not our yard. You get over here. Katie, no. Good job, Kate.
That was silly, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Daddy, you're stepping on my airplane. Uh-oh.
Throw it up high, Kate. Throw it up in the air. Throw it way up into the sky like you're throwing it at the clouds. Oh, here, Daddy will fix it for you.
Daddy?
Whoa. Oh, you got a good one, huh, Stephanie?
Not me.
Not you. You have a good one.
No, this flies more better.
Hers flies more better.
Yeah.
Here, let me try yours. Here, I'll try yours. Whoa. You just got to throw it up higher. Oh, you got me. Oh, you hit me. You crazy driver. I can't believe you flew your airplane into me.
Yeah, you just have to do it like that. Do it again.
All right, Kate, let's see yours.
Oh, Daddy, look at mine got hit.
Whoa, that was a good one, Kate. You got to throw it higher.
Watch. Whatever I want. It's my airplane. My airplane keeps coming over here. Sonny, my airplane ground with flowers. My airplane keeps coming over there. It's not our airplane. My airplane did a flip.
It did a flip. Oh, your airplane needs to be refolded.
Watch, Dad.
I'm watching.
What, Daddy? It's gonna knock.
Ooh, good.
Watch, Daddy.
I think the wind's blowing yours. Come here. Come on over here where the wind's not blowing yours so much. Yeah.
Let's go.
Whoa!
Yeah, look at.
Katie, try throwing it from up on Grandma's steps. Go up on Grandma's steps and throw it.
Whoa!
Oh, you crashed. Hang on, I'll get it for you. Hang on, stay there. Here you go. Throw it up high. It's a windy day today, huh? I think the wind's messing them up.
No, I'm doing good. See what? See? I learned over here. Daddy's a friend. Watch out, it's gonna come. Wow, what did it do? That was cool.
Whoa. Throw it higher, Kate. Throw it at the clouds.
Right.
There. You just got to throw it up higher. You got to throw it like you're going to try to hit the clouds with it. I saw it. If you're going to do it up there, do the same thing. Throw it at the clouds. Oh, right it. Don't whine. You're a big girl. Big girls don't whine. Oh, it needs to be refolded again. You got it all crunched up here. Here, Daddy, fold it really quick and give it back to you.
Before the wind goes away.
Here you go. Throw it up high. Throw it at the clouds. There, see? That flies better.
Daddy is stuck. Yeah, but what about mine? Mine don't.
Yours has been flying good. Yours has been doing all kinds of tricks.
Yeah, but watch. What do you think of that?
Katie, you got to throw it up in the air, not straight. You got to throw it up to the clouds.
Like this. See what I told you? Here, let's straight. Let's see if yours works for me.
Oh, you guys, the wind's blowing at you. You got to get out of the wind to do it. Come on over here between the shed and the house. Whoa! Whoa, there you go. Good job, Kate.